Lesson 5.5, one-digit quotients. The tough thing about this is now if we have only a one-digit quotient and a two-digit divisor, we don't know those facts. We can't just kind of figure it out. We need to do some work for it. So let's look at what we do. This is the problem that we're going to use throughout the lesson today. 679 divided by 82. And if you hear some noise in the background, Austin is going to be helping us out. Right now he's watching the Lorax to make sure that that movie helps us with finding one-digit quotients. Alright, so first, what we're going to do is we're going to look at the leading digits and estimate. So in 679 divided by 82, we look at the 67 and the 8, and we say that 67 will change to 64 and 8 will stay in 8. And I chose those numbers because I know that they are compatible. 64 divided by 8 comes out evenly to 8. That's the start. That's half of what we need to do. And let's look at the second half. Then we just try our answer. So let's do that. If we choose 8, because remember we got 8 from down there, we write it over the 9. It's really important because this is the ones column. If you write it over the 7, that's saying that your answer is 80. If you put it over the 6, that's saying your answer is 800. So we need to put it over the 9. And then we just do what we do. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 8 is 64, plus 1 is 65. And so we did the division, got 8, then we did multiplication and got this 656. So now we do subtraction. 9 minus 6 is 3. 7 minus 5 is 2. 6 minus 6 is 0. And then there's nothing else to bring down, so this 23 becomes our remainder. And we get an answer of 8 remainder 23. If our remainder is bigger than 82, we know that we made a mistake. So that's kind of how we, the first way to check your work. The second, all right, and so then let's look at the next thing. If it works, you check your answer by multiplying. You would multiply 8 times 82, and then that answer should get you, and then you add the remainder, and that answer should get you your original 679. If it doesn't work, try the next digit up or down. So if it was too big, if this 8 was too big, we would do it again trying a 7. Or if it was too small, we would try again using a 9. So really, this is all we have to do if there's a one-digit quotient. It's really important that we do step 1 first and we estimate. Then we try it, and we just plug in 8 as our quotient, and then we always check our work by multiplying or doing the opposite operation. And if it doesn't work, we'll have to try it again using it's going to have to be either one digit up or one digit down, depending if you were doing an overestimate or an underestimate. All right, if you don't understand something, make sure you join a small group. Let me know through an email, and have a great weekend.